welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is a haul video of what I got from Walgreens. So first up, most excitingly, I found a globby, which is exciting. So oh, this is good. 10 out of 10. I feel like the Orbeez are bigger than like normal. Oh, that's good. Alright, now next thing I got was this like putty. I don't know, it said it's crystal clear, but I don't know if I believe that or not. Alright, so we're gonna open it. Alright. Oh wow, it like comes in packaging and it actually is crystal clear. Surprising. Why did they have to put it in the packaging like? Oh, I got it. Oh wow, this is like, look at how clear that is. Oh man. Oh, it's called sculpting something. So this is actually pretty cool. Like, it's really clear. It doesn't really stretch. Oh, never mind. Yes, it does. So that is really good. Alright, and then I got one more thing. So let me get that. But I can't get over I found a globby. I'm excited. Alright, and the last thing I got were the Sour Patch Kids Extreme, and I'm gonna try those. So, alright. So, yeah, I've never even seen these before. They're pretty good. Put that back in there. Yeah, and all that was $8, so that's pretty good. Alright, well anyway guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this YouTube video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Bye!